Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the biometric terminal and its environment. Plug the rated adapter, connect Ethernet or enable Wi-Fi, and power on. Once done, log in with the admin account and immediately change the default password. This protects stored templates. Make sure the unit is mounted at 50 to 70 centimeters height so users can naturally present fingers or faces. You're taking these steps first because a stable power and secure admin access prevent configuration rollback and data loss later. Now you enroll users and configure recognition settings. You choose capture mode, fingerprint, face, or both, then decide if you need one or multiple scans per user to meet security needs. Next, create profiles with numeric ID, names, and access levels, and set the quality threshold so the sensor accepts reliable templates. Make sure to calibrate the sensor and run sample reads for 5-10 users to verify matching performance. Also enable NTP time sync so event logs stay accurate across devices. Finish by integrating the biometric machine with your access or HR system and validating end-to-end operation. You map user ID to door controllers or employee records, test with 20 users including peak traffic, and export logs to confirm format and timestamps. If something goes wrong, start with a reboot and inspect the sensor window for dirt. Re-enroll any users who fail repeatedly. Make sure firmware is current. An update often resolves matching bugs. After fixes, repeat the acceptance test to confirm everything works.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.